What well, me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
You know, want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV, Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? No, alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you're not feeling no pain. If you are feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor, go to the doctor, call the doctor to your home if you have the money. If you don't, make somebody bring you over there to the doctor. And as always, guys, you do your wellness check. Do some wellness check for your friends and your family. And also, your enemy, check the people them down at the street, up at the street, across the street. Because mental health crisis is not a joke. It is serious business. And guys, to be a go, big up yourself. Happy birthday to you. Today are your birthday, Tobago. So you don't know, from Rodney's with love, from Rodney's with respect. Go out and have a beautiful and a wonderful day, Tobago. You know yourself. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tobago. Happy birthday to you. Go, go. Go Tobago, it's your birthday. You're gonna party like it's your. And you know, we don't talk those words on here. But Tobago, it's your birthday and you don't give a. You're going to have a wonderful and a beautiful birthday today, Tobago. One love, enough respect coming straight from Rodney himself. Happy birthday. And to all the Capricorns who having a birthday today, happy birthday to you all. So, my viewers and subscribers, what a sitting. What a sitting. My viewers and subscribers, you don't know how me make video. You don't know how me operate. And you don't know, say, me not put my mouth at ground and talk. And me name the channel Real Talk for a reason. Guys, listen to what I say. I love all of you all. It doesn't matter what you say to me. I love and respect and care about people. I care about people a lot more than I care about myself. A lot of you don't know that because you all don't know me. But throughout the years, I've been helping and doing a lot for people. Before I go into the video, I want to say two. First, I want to big up Atlanta, Georgia. Big up yourself. Enough respect. Love the chat. Love the talk. Love the vibes. Stay blessed. And remember, stay blessed. And remember, say, one God, one aim, and one destiny. All right. Like we're going at the nitty-gritty now. Big up on yourself, everybody out there. Guys, how me make video different. Me make video according to how me see it and how I feel. I come out here and make videos because I am a person where I don't like to see people drag people in the mud. I don't like to see people do things to people and call for. I don't like it. So I make videos in a certain way. Yeah? I make video a certain way. However, my viewers and subscribers, I saw many people making videos. As a matter of fact, me not go around the many people. Me say Rum Ram, me say Disgraceful Jackie, me say Nano Sense Quiche, me say Nahano Brain, what's your name? Rosa, me say Best Dirty Baby Father, or me should have best say best Dirty Father over so. Me see all of them make videos. And me see all of them drag and them pull and them do all sort of things. And them say some dangerous things about me. They said some very indicative thing about them. Them say me sex off my cousin and pregnant my cousin. Them say me sex my cousin and breed my cousin, and that's why me ex-wife divorce me. Them say me own restaurant, then say me own this, in mash up. Them go as far as say me trouble me little kids them. I don't say nothing. I don't come out, I don't say nothing, because guess what happened? I don't have to answer to stupidity. I do not answer to stupidity. I make stupidity goes about their business. Because guess what? I am a different person. You all may see me and be like, oh, Rodney is just a little whole man and he grew up and him have all. But the thing is, see me and come live with me is two different things. See me and to have conversation with me is two different things. Now, I saw Rum Ram come out, big, bad and bold. Making videos, talking things. Rum Ram said me sex my cousin and get my cousin impregnated. And that's why my ex-wife divorced me. That's what him said. Now, I make a video and I ask him a question. I ask him who is the name. And he come out and he make a whole video about I should put some respect on his wife name. I know his wife is a doctor and all sort of something. Now I saw where people is saying, because of me, Rumram wife cannot and afraid to leave her home. Now let me address that. When I asked the question, Rumram didn't have to answer. But he answered big and bold. He go as far as use AI to make some videos and some pictures put up with his wife. AI pictures, which is really shocking and stupid. Now, my viewers and subscribers, if I say something about your wife name and you answer and you make a whole video about put respect on your wife name, I did not say what the wife full name is. I didn't say where the wife lives. So how can people be saying, hi, make the wife afraid to come out of her house or home? Let me say this to each and every one of you. I know the exact place that they live. That's none of my business. I won't put it out there. I will not put that out on the internet. Cause what? I don't have anything with the woman. So, to be honest with you all out there, say, if you all don't know how to get information, and if you don't know how to use information, come and ask me. I will tell you for free. I will explain to you how to get these information for free. And I will tell you what you want to know for free. Because, to be honest with you, it's fun for me. I've been doing these things for 25 years. 25 years I've been doing them. And still continue doing them. So, when people is going to make video and when Rumram is going to come out and acting stupid, and now he's hiding and not making this and not doing this, you have to think before you make videos. When you listen to me, my viewers and subscribers. When I make this channel, I know that once I make this channel, people is going to talk about me. I know that. And I continue. If you don't want people to talk about you on YouTube or any at all, you need to go hide yourself under the earth. Because if they don't talk about you on social media, they're going to talk about you anyway. You cannot stop nobody from talk about you. Now let me talk about the previous video I just make. So I make a video about Nari and being Alicia Kim or not being Alicia Kim baby father. Now I go ask all of you a question. Even that stupid one where I saw him with his little dirty headline about me make sure that Alicia Kim give Nari the wrong baby. Now you can see the idiotic. Did Alicia Kim tell any of you that she and Nari is in a relationship? Did Alicia Kim tell any of you that she and Nari is in a relationship? Did Nari tell any of you that he and Alicia Kim is in a relationship? No. None of them ever tell you that he or she is in a relationship. Now let me go to the specific. In the video, in the things I post, did Alicia Kim tell you that the chef is not her baby father? Did she say it's her baby father? No. The thing about you all is you don't think. You don't use your own brains. And some of you content creators, all you do is sit down and wait for a video to drop, to run with it. You guys don't think. You guys don't use here. None of you use here. When you use your brain, it tells you a lot. Now, some of you who is writing in my comment section, and I'm going to be very honest here now. I don't know if you're subscribers or you're what, or you're who. But none of you know where my information come from. None of you know where my information come from. And I go say this to each and every one of you. When I do a video and you like the information because it's right in your capacity of what you want to think about, you yay. But when it's not in your capacity of what you would think of, then you be like, I think Rodney is trouble. I think Rodney is causing problem. I think Rodney is this. I think Rodney is that. I think Rodney is causing a lot of problem. I think Rodney is stirring up things. I think Rodney is this. I think, yeah. But let me tell some of you. Let me tell you something. I have a plan. I have a plan. You know what the plan is? You know what the plan is? I'm thinking of leave this thing. Yeah, because guess what happened? When I get my information and when I make my video, I'm going to make the video. And to be honest with you, if I don't want to get you guys, in other words, let me say this. I don't want anybody to feel like they cannot leave their home because of me and they are scared of their life. So guess what happened? I'm going to take a couple days and I'm going to think about this thing. And I may come up with an answer And if I come up with an answer, I'm going to leave you all by yourself and go find something else to talk about. Because guess what happened? If I get the information, if I vet the information, if I check the information and the information look good to me, sounds good to me, I'm going to make content, I'm going to put it out there. That's what I'm going to do. So to be honest with you, because I don't want nobody to feel like their life is in jeopardy because of me, I will think about it a little bit. And then I will light a candle, sing a song, and find myself back home. Yes, because guess what happened? I don't want, hey, people, let me tell you something. You see me? Want to see ya? When my mother called me, see, my mother say to me, say, son, me know how you stay. Me know how you stay. And me see it say you're going to nah stop dig. But son, think about it first. And me say, all right, my mother. And me think about the things that, and a lot of things me dig up and find, and me still not put them out there. Me still not put them out there. So, to all of you all, where I make video and where I talk, let me ask you a question. So the man will come in the room when Alicia Kim do the thing, and them throw the cover over him head. So I'm baby father that? Did she tell you, say, a him? She said the baby father decide to make appearance, don't? So any of you know who under the cover? So Mr. Unua say, oh, they watch. Uno no know say me see that too. Uno no know say me see that. Come on now, man. Any of you no know say me see that and could I use that? Me have all another picture where me could I use when Alicia Kim and the individual a player. Remember? You know when you put something on your head and you talk about it and the one tell you, I have even a picture of that one that I could use. But I decided not to use that one. Let me say this to each and every one of you. You think when I make a video, I just make it and put it out? That video that I post, I make that video 4 days before I post it. 4 days before I post it. And all of a sudden, this video is causing problems. This video, the videos that I make, they're causing problems. Why are they causing problems? Why are they causing problems? The only reason why they're causing problems, it must be a reason why these videos are causing problems. Now, Rumram, let me go back to you a little bit. Let me say this, Rumram. Why? Let me ask you, Rumram, a question. Why did you and your wife wipe social media? Why did you take off your whole everything off social media? Are you guys having something to hide or what? And to be honest with you, I don't know if you guys have something to hide, but you guys come off social media from 2010. Oh yes, we know how long you come off of social media. Your Facebook and all them things from 2010. Yes, so guys, let me say this to you. From 2010, your social, why? Why you delete social media. Well, me understand say some people don't really like social media. But you must love social media because you have a YouTube channel. So if you delete your social media pages and you only have a YouTube channel, why did you and your wife delete all on your social media page? Make it make sense. That is something that you need. Listen me. Chuck back boy. The time you come out here and make videos, stupid videos. Me did it on a live last night. Yeah, me did it on a live last night. Yeah, talk up the thing live, yeah. Me did it on talk up the thing live last night. Good live, very good live. Yeah, man, a very good live. Yeah, me see some people from over Drunkard town come over there. And one of them say, oh, me disrespect her. The one with name Essay. Say, oh, me disrespect her. But Essay, make me tell you something. You are the one, Kim Nandi. Let me tell you something. You see the friend, the person who you deal with, it have a lot to do with uno. And you, Essay, talk about how Vibes is, we never want to call it the drunkard name. Oh, you are the best person. That's just to show you how low and dirty you, Essay, is. The same man who telling data fi talk on TV, social media, fi tell people we have to go suck them mother. You see a man say that is the best person. So it's just to show you say the all of uno is a set of nincompoop. Uno no have no sense, uno a shit in a plate. Uno brainless. Uno act like uno intelligent and uno brainless. The one Kim Nandi, me don't know how me don't know where she believe. She act like she's better than everybody in the world. Kim Nandi, go sit down. He's just like everybody else. And me I tell you may be worse than everybody else too. Me I tell you the truth. Listen me good. Listen me good. The way you know operate over there, sir? The way you know operate. Even Rosalie in a more class than uno. Because Rosalie come up dirty and she does continue dirty. But uno over there going like uno as somebody. So me did it on the live. And somebody in the live say, how comes you, truck back boy, not follow the footstep of your brother? Little did they know, all three of you are the same. Little did they know, all three of you is the same. Viewers and subscribers, me no really go no further in this video. But what me really want to know is when me make a content, and to be honest with you, each and every one of you have your own opinion if you talk about whatever content I make. But when you don't get the information, see, that I have, then you all will realize, oh shit, today is Sunday. Happy birthday to each and every one of you out there. Have a wonderful birthday. Have a beautiful birthday. Manners and respect. Next video coming. But guys, I do not want to have my channel and feel afraid to make a video. If I'm going to feel afraid to make a video, I will be off YouTube. Because I do not live that way. I don't live my life that way. I'm not scared of nobody. And I shouldn't be afraid of nobody. And I shouldn't be afraid of making a video. So, to be honest with you all, I am not going to make because of anybody. I don't make a video. And I have to be honest. Sometimes you have people out there who won't watch your channel because you're not talking good about who they like. You have some people out there who, if you talk bad about their loved one, who they love so much, they will unsubscribe or they will not watch your video. Now, I'm going to say this to each and every one of you out there. And I'm not joking, I'm dead serious. If you come on my channel just because I talk good about a person, and that's the only reason why you come on my channel, I go be honest with you. It's time for you to go. Yeah? Because guess what? If I find anything that is bad about that person, I will talk about it. Yeah, I will talk about it. Because I have to be true to myself. So that means I can be true to you. Because if I am gathering the information and giving you the information, I'm giving you the information so you can know what the information is, what the problem is. When I make this video, I know people was going to take it and run and do all kind of things. I know that. That's why it take me 4 days before I even put it out. And also, it took me 4 days to put it out because I was still waiting on something. Some of you as and subscribers, let's have a wonderful Sunday. Watch the video, like the video, share the video, respect the video. If you don't like the video, I understand that. Each of us have our own opinion. But I need people to stop. Say, I am the cause of people not leaving, don't want to leave their house. Because I didn't put nobody address out there. I did not put anybody address out there. And I am not living in Philadelphia. I am not living in Philadelphia. I know a lot of people in Philadelphia, but I don't live there. So, again, have a wonderful day. Peace and love. And guys, I believe I'm going to go live on my birthday. What wanna say? You think me should I go live for my birthday? In the night? You think me should have a birthday party? A live birthday party? I think me go do that, you know. Me go talk to you about that in the next video. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, until the next video, I'm out. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Take care of yourself. Enjoy your birthday. Tobago, enjoy your birthday. I'm out. Bye-bye.